What's good, family? It's your boy Chef Abdul, and today we're gonna make a grilled cheese sandwich. Stay tuned. As you guys already know, I love to cook with lots of flavor, and I also love fresh ingredients like fresh parsley and fresh oregano. Alright guys, so you got your fresh oregano and your fresh parsley, your tomatoes, your butter, your garlic, onion powder, and paprika, and your cheese, of course, and your bread. Look at all the ingredients that you're gonna need to make this beautiful, beautiful recipe. So for today, we're gonna be making a grilled cheese sandwich. This is how I make it. You don't have to make it this way, but I love to put oregano, parsley, and tomatoes, guys, for a finish with some chips and some guacamole. So check it out. Alright, so I'm gonna just chop up or slice up some beautiful tomatoes, guys. Just real thin if you can. Real thin, guys, because this is gonna be the grilled cheese. Try to get the organic one so it has less pesticides. It's always healthier and better, guys. Check that out. So now what you got to do is just get your bread. Alright. Get some butter. Okay, and just spread it on. And then what I normally do is get a little paprika. This is a little paprika and a little garlic and onion, and I just sprinkle it on top. After doing that, I normally take my cheese and put it right under. And then what you're gonna want to have to do is piece of your slice of bread, put it to the side, and we're gonna get some fresh oregano, and I'm gonna come right here and grab some of this fresh parsley and just chop some up. Okay, so safety first, put your knives away. Guys, so now what you're gonna want to do is just take all the tomatoes that you had sliced and you're gonna just put them on top. Sprinkle some of your onion and garlic and paprika. What you're gonna want to do is put some of your fresh oregano and parsley. Alright guys, so now after you do that, I normally just place it down and add another layer of cheese on top. All I normally do is get some more butter. It's about a teaspoon of butter. Alright, and then I get another slice of cheese, put it on top like so. Let's put some paprika and some onion powder on there, and I just squeeze it on top. Alright guys, so you're gonna want to just pass some butter. This is an iron pan, guys. It's a very healthy way to cook. It's just a very good product, and I recommend it to everybody. So you're gonna want to just take your sandwich, your grilled cheese, and just place it in the pan. And you're gonna want to get a spatula if you have one, and you're just gonna squeeze it down. Alright, while you're squeezing it down, guys, I normally get some butter and then I just pass it on the top, so when you flip it, it could give it that nice toast that you're looking for in a grilled cheese sandwich. Alright guys, so after you let the cheese melt, sit for about 2 minutes or so you just want to go put your hand in there, and you got to be real fast with this, guys. Alright, you got to just flip, squeeze it down, guys. You can see it's starting to get real toasty, guys. So we letting all the cheese melt. This is Daya cheese and it normally melts, so we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, I think it's ready. So now we can start taking it out like so. Get the knife. Now let's put it in the plate. Now let's go for the bite. Alright guys, so check this out. I can't wait to bite it. Wow. This is so delicious, guys. You have to try it. I got some tortilla here, and I got some guacamole. You can get these in the supermarket. If you like what you saw, don't forget, subscribe and hit that little bell right there in the corner. Share this video, guys. This recipe will be in the description below. Peace.